Out of all the vacuum cleaners that I've tried out over the years, I always tend to go back to Dreame as my go-to brand for robotic vacuum cleaners inside the home. Now, they brought that same technology that I love from the indoor robotic vacuum cleaners to their pool robots. In this video, I'll be partnering with Dreame to take a look at the Z1 Pro. This is the world's first robotic pool cleaner with a triple surround fusion perception system and the world's first cordless robotic pool cleaner with a poolside operable remote control. Let's go ahead and get started. Setting up the Z1 Pro and using it for the first time was super easy. The application walks you through the process of getting this connected to the app. Of course, you can use the controls on the device itself to choose between the 4 different modes. You can control this from within the application, and you can use the remote control. Traditional pool cleaners can be an utter mess with their hoses and cords. I love how this is totally cord and wire free. You do have 4 modes here. The standard mode cleans the pool floor, then the pool walls, then the pool water line, and then there are 3 modes where you can do each one of these separately. So you can do the floor mode, or the wall mode, or the waterline mode. Once you've selected the mode, you simply drop this into the pool. It sinks to the bottom, and then that's where the pool sense technology really takes over. You'll notice the robot begins to kind of spin around in place. It's actively scanning the entire pool, and it begins to make a map. It then takes a lap around the pool where it's able to gather all the information that it needs to plan efficient routes. Pool sense technology is powered by AI. The system utilizes a surround fusion approach, seamlessly integrating advanced sensing technologies like ultrasonic 3D structured light and time-of-flight sensors to deliver comprehensive environmental awareness. Once the Z1 Pro has totally mapped out the pool and intelligently planned its routes, you'll notice that it starts on the floor in an S pattern shape. The S-shaped pattern here is way more efficient than traditional pool vacuums, which just kind of randomly go in all directions, crisscrossing the path, hopefully eventually covering all areas. With the intelligent route planning, the Z1 Pro is able to grab all the different debris from the pool bottom. Once this is finished cleaning up the floor, it then turns to the pool walls, where it utilizes an N-shaped pattern. Once again, a more efficient pattern, enabling this to not miss any spots. One of the major benefits of the Pool Sense technology is its ability to dynamically avoid obstacles. So, most pools have lights or they have filtration systems, maybe a pool ladder. When this notices that that obstacle is in place, it's going to back away from the obstacle, readjust, and then begin cleaning again, totally missing the object. Once this finishes cleaning the pool walls, it then turns its attention to the water line. The horizontal water line cleaning brings enhanced water line cleaning, which is super important in my area. We've got lots of dust and pollen that accumulates right there at the water line. So it's really nice to be able to clean that up before jumping in. Powered by dual pump motors and a sleek aerodynamic design, the robot cleaner securely adheres to the pool walls, bringing a 50% enhanced waterline cleaning efficiency. Because this is able to clean horizontally rather than having to totally submerge itself and then come back up, it makes cleaning your waterline much quicker. The Z1 Pro is one of the most powerful pool robots that I've ever seen, with up to 8,000 gallons per hour of suction power. This is going to be able to clean up all the leaves and debris from the pool floor. With the increased suction power, this is also going to be able to pick up smaller debris like sand, dust, and pollen. Aside from the powerful suction, you also have dual spinning brushes. This gives you double the scrubbing power and definitely made the pool wall cleaning and waterline cleaning super effective. I think the most handy feature of the Z1 Pro has to be the included LiFi remote. Now, you'll notice whenever I'm using this remote, you can see a green light that kind of shines through the water. You're able to send instructions to the pool robot while it's underwater. Most pool robots lose connection with your application or with Wi-Fi, and you're not able to connect to them and control them. You usually just have to wait for them to finish the task at hand before you can retrieve them and set another task. With the LiFi remote, if you have some debris that this missed during the initial cleaning, you can actually control this to go over to that debris and grab it, or if you just want to do a spot cleaning in that area, you can hit the spot cleaning button and this jumps into action cleaning that area. When you're finished spot cleaning, you can use the LiFi control to have this to auto poolside park. And of course, once this is done with its cleaning mode, this will automatically park itself for easy retrieval. You can see just how much debris this was able to pick up from the bottom of the pool. The filter's super easy to clean. I like how it has a hatch there on the bottom of the filter so you can easily dispose of the leaves and debris that's in there, and then you can just simply rinse it off with a water hose. You do get up to 4 hours of usage off a single charge, which is more than enough time to clean most pool sizes, and this is able to fully charge in about 6 hours. If you're looking for a super powerful pool robot cleaner that is very easy to use, then the Dreame Z1 Pro is definitely a great option. I, for one, love this LiFi remote control that I can use to actively control the pool robot even while it's totally submerged. I'll be sure to include links in the description where you can find out more information about the Dreame Z1 Pro and where you can buy one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.